Welcome to my vlog of my Hotel Santa Fe visit. This one's Cars theme. Vroom vroom. This hotel gives you free shuttles to the park, or you can walk it, it's just 15 minutes. The theming in this hotel is amazing. From the minute we walked into reception, we felt like we were in the movie. You can even meet characters in their Cars costume here. I like this hotel at night because of all the cool lights. This is the restaurant. How cool does this look? The breakfast was delicious. We had breakfast in here each morning and the theming is on point. This car was so cool, all the pastries were on the back of it. There was Mickey waffles, beans, toast, fruit pots and even more. There's even a cool play area, and to top it all off, it's very own Starbucks. In here you can get lots of snacks, drinks and even Disneyland Paris mugs. I got some pancakes and maple syrup in here and they're so nice. I recommend them and it's open really late too. Next up it has its very own Disneyland Paris gift shop. Pretty much the same things you get at the parks, but pretty cool too. Next up, the room tour. I love the lights in here, they're traffic cones. There's veggie plates, pictures of cars, we got meter. I love how the TV has our family's name on it. This is my next favourite hotel after the Marble Hotel now. Me and my family just loved it so much we can't wait to go back. There's a phone that connects you to reception. I took it and asked for an extra pillow all by myself. One of the coolest things in the bathroom was the giant mirror with all the lights around it. It also has a very powerful hairdryer. And you get some Cars toiletries too. Don't forget, in this hotel you get 2 free hot drinks a day each. The machines can be a little bit temperamental, but stick with it and you'll get them. I'm not just saying this, that hot chocolate is divine. There's a room where you can leave your luggage for free if you want to enjoy the parks on your last day. I absolutely love this hotel. I give it 2 big thumbs up and I absolutely want to go back to it one day.